Hey everyone, so in the following video we'll talk about creating a custom contact form using Ninja Forms. So first of all, we do encourage you to go to the link in the video description below, and that will take you to our documentation page where we kind of explain some of the features in the process of installing this Ninja form. And over here we also have a direct link to Ninja Forms where you can download and install the following plugin. Now once you've installed this plugin, and once you've also downloaded our theme, we have a file within the theme. If we go over to Demo Contact Form, you'll see this file where you can download a copy of the following form to your website. So if you want to use the exact same form, simply install the following form into your website. So in order to do that, you'll need to go over to the Forms area over here and click on Import and Export. And over here, you'll need to select a file that you want to upload from your computer. And over here, we have Flow Contact Form. Click on Open, and then simply click on Import Form. Okay, once you've imported this form, go over to All Forms. And here we have two forms. Contact Form is the default contact form, which is uploaded by Ninja Forms as soon as you install that plugin. And then we have this Flow Contact Form. So let's just click on it, and we'll need to edit a few settings over here. And over here you'll see all of the fields that we've added. You can drag them, sort them around any order if that is necessary, or if you want to change the order to have it something different from what we have here. But you'll need to go over to this Email and Actions area. And there are several fields that you'll need to fill out. So let's take a quick look at the admin email. So within this admin email, what you'll need to do is over here within these fields from name and from email address, you'll need to select several field IDs. So over here we have first name ID 37. You'll need to select that, and then we'll also have from address, and this will be email ID 39. Now what this means is whenever users submit a contact form, they enter their name over here, and they also enter their email address. And so whenever you receive an inquiry, you will have their name. So this email came from their name that they put into the following field, and then an email address to reply to, which is also the field or the email address that they put into this field over here. So that's just to make sure that you can structure your inquiries coming in and know who and where they came from. And over here you'll add your personal email address. So we just have it test@test.com. And also we have a field whereby you can add a subject line. Once again, if this is mandatory, if you have a subject line, we do not have a subject line within this field, but if you have a subject line here, you can select the subject line ID, and your inquiry will be from let's just say John Smith, email address johnsmith@gmail.com, and then subject line, want to rent out your photo booth, for example. So this is the fields that you'll need to fill out. Once you've done that, simply click on Save. And also we'll need to go take a quick look at the user email address. These fields over here, they're not necessary to fill out. However, this is an option. These are optional. So over here, what you can do is also add the email ID. So once again, email ID 39, and from email address, you'll add your personal email address. And over here, we have a short thank you message. And this message can include anything like, thank you for your email, we'll be in touch shortly, or thank you, we're out on holidays, whatever it may be. You can fill out this information, and this will be just an automated email confirmation to your client, letting them know that we've received your email and we'll be in touch with you shortly. All right, once you've filled out this information, also simply click on Save, and you're good to go. Within our documentation, we'll have the entire step-by-step instruction as well as to how to do this. We have this choose file, you select that file, edit this areas over here, and so forth. So once again, be sure to check out this documentation. Now, once you've adjusted and set all of these fields, let me just go ahead and close them. you'll need to go back to our forms. So let's go back to all forms. And next off, to add the following form into your contact page, what you'll need to do is go over to pages, and what I have here is simply a test page titled QWERTY. And over here, there are two options of how to insert the following contact form in a page. Once you download Ninja Forms, you'll have the following field whereby you can insert a contact form into the following page. So let me just go ahead and refresh this page so we have our flow contact form up here within this drop down. So here we can select flow contact form, and if we go ahead and click on update, then we'll go and click on view page. Here we have the following form. As you'll see, it takes up the full width of the following page. The other option of how to add a contact form is by simply copying this shortcode. So you'll need to copy this, go to this page, and simply, let's switch over to text mode, paste it here, and let's remove this over here, and we'll click on update. Also, another feature that we've added is setting a max width for your page content. So I've set it to 700 pixels, and what this does is narrows down your page content to 700 pixels. So if you do not want your contact form to be full width, you can simply set the page width to 700, 800, 900 pixels, whatever works best for you. And then everything you add within this area over here will be set at 700 pixels, or the width that you've set it to. So if we want to add several lines of text just like that, and let me just switch over to visual mode, we'll justify the following text, just like that. Click on update, and once again we'll refresh the following page. You'll see that we have our text justified, and the page width content is at 700 pixels. So these are the options that you have with our contact form. Once again, be sure to check out the documentation and test it out and make sure that it works for you. And yeah, this is how you install the Flothemes demo contact form.